Hello y'all, my name is Cynthia Neal and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Padlet. So Padlet is a web app that lets users post notes on a digital wall, and this use of the site is basically a classroom that's virtual. And by what I mean by that is that teachers can post questions, pictures, ideas onto a discussion board or a discussion wall, and students can answer these questions and they can put their own input and ask their own questions too. So there's you can, for teachers, you can make a Padlet, and students, you can join a Padlet. So making a Padlet, let's do it now. And there's many forms that you can create. For example, map. If you were maybe teaching a geography lesson and you wanted your students to see the world, and then each have certain information about each continent, or have your students maybe put information on the Padlet about a certain country, you could do that. Timeline, if you were learning about a certain period of time, like or an event, for example, maybe like the Industrial Revolution, the timeline of that, your students could input on the timeline certain time periods of that era. And whenever we'll just press stream, why not? And this is what it looks like whenever you create a Padlet. So it says, welcome to your beautiful new Padlet. You can create the title of your Padlet, a description, an icon that will pop up right here. For example, this one, the nervous emoji. This is where you can copy a link to your Padlet so you can share. Here you can change the appearance and design of your Padlet. Posting, who can post, and you can also, which is really cool, is you can grade the responses of your students or people who post on your discussion, which I think is great. And then also there's content filtering to just filter any profanity out and require approval for people to post. And so I'm going to show you guys what a Padlet looks like that's kind of edited and just not new. So what I did is I made my own Padlet for science, and for this one I used a scientist as my little icon, which I think was really funny and cute. And then my Padlet is changing states of matter. And then as a teacher I posted how can matter change? Upload your 3 pictures of the different stages of matter using water. Then type what stages are changing, for example, solid to liquid. And then I described how you can upload a picture by pressing the up arrow below your text box. For example, it's to post a Padlet, you have to double click, and then to post pictures, you can just press the camera, and then you can use your camera, or you can upload here, and then you can pick a file. And when you pick file, you can go to your computer, and then upload any picture you want. And then you can just type your response. If I was a student, I would type my response into here, and then I would just click out, or I would just click out if I wanted to erase it, or I can press upload. So we'll just type solid to liquid. And whenever you type, it automatically posts, which is great. And you can also grade your responses right here. And then to delete it, you can just delete, but also you can edit your posts, the colors of them, which can be really creative. And just delete this post right here, just to show. And yeah, this is basically what a Padlet is. And then also what's great is that you can move them. So if you wanted to organize your Padlet, you could do so as well. And then here's just how to share. You can add members, or you can copy the link and then just disperse it to your class. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see your own Padlets.